regarding bagless vacuum cleaners, I can tell you that the Bosch vacuum cleaner that you see here, the Series 2 Parquet, is probably one of the best buys you can do. This is entirely bagless, and it is stronger than most of the Dysons that you have, including the V11 that I also have bought. And it's basically because it has a cord, it's still not running on battery. But the biggest benefit with this one is that it can be taken apart into everything into small parts, and it can be easily cleaned up in itself. So when you hook off the canister here, you just take it right into your trash bag, and all you need to do is to press this button here and it opens. Now what it doesn't tell you in the instruction manual is that if you take your hand and you grab on to this piece here, you can twist it out like this, and it all comes out as plastic parts. Here is one, and then you can shake out the rest here, and we can then open the filter section here, and we can remove this part as well. So you see now we have two pieces out, and then we have the filter in itself that comes out like this, and this plastic piece here is put aside as well, and we separate the filter here, and this is the bigger part of the filter that is actually taking most of the dirt. All these things can be cleaned up easily as separate. Now when we've taken apart these things, then we can continue. We go over to the vacuum cleaner in itself, and we remove this part as well. And then we open the back here, and we get the HEPA filter out. Essentially now, well, what we do, we take the cord off. Now what we have left here is a little unit that you wipe off by a microcloth, and all these other parts you can clean them up in your dishwasher. I'll show you. It's absolutely amazing. It all comes apart. Now this bigger hose, you take it into your bathtub and you just flush it out, but all the other parts are dishwasher compatible. That's absolutely incredible. So here you have the filters before I run them in the dishwasher, and if we take them up to look at them, you can see that they are essentially completely filled with dust, and I have difficult to get the light to come through if I hold them against the sky. I'll send them into the dishwasher right now. So all we need to do now is to load these parts into the dishwasher. I open it up here and will demonstrate to you that it is perfectly fine. And this one goes on the top shelf. This is the filter that was completely clogged. It sits up there. Same goes for this one. Put that a little bit further back, and then we have the HEPA filter in itself. It goes on there, and even this one all goes in here. We will set the machine to lukewarm water, which is about 35 degrees. So make sure it's not 50, not 65. We set it to 35. And here we start it. Okay, so now the program is over, and we will take a look. And all the parts here now have been properly cleaned inside the dishwasher. You can see the filters here. They need, of course, to be dried. So we're going to put them out in the sunshine for 24 hours as being required by the instruction manual. Now it doesn't say much about the dishwasher in the instruction manual, but it says that you can actually clean these filters in lukewarm water, and that's exactly the warmth or temperature of the water that we've had now in the dishwasher. So this is, well, all these pieces are full of water, so we're going to put them out in the sunshine on the balcony floor, and then we're going to reassemble them. You can see here that these plastic parts are entirely perfectly clean now, and this is all high temperature resistant or plastics that easily withstand the dishwasher machine temperatures that you have. And it's all now perfectly clean, as new in fact. So we have all the pieces here now all together, cleaned in the dishwasher. And for the main part, well, the vacuum cleaner itself, this one we can actually not put in the dishwasher, but this one you just wipe it off with a microcloth rag. And the rest of the assembly is very simple. Now we can start with the rear here, where we have the cleaned HEPA filter, and that one goes into the hinges down there on the bottom. You can see the hinges there, and it goes in this way with the seal inwards. That's it. And then the lid seals like that. Now the main compartment is over here, where we also have completely cleaned interior. First, however, we open up the top like this, and in the top comes this, and it fits perfectly there. Now we need to remember that all the dust comes from here, so biggest seal is this filter, and it's turned this way. Now I will show you the effect of the washing machine. And if you remember what it looked like before, you can see now when I hold it up against the sky that we've cleaned out most of the dirt inside this filter. Goes on like that, and there. And then we have the interior, and then the cyclone plastics. This one fits on very easy. You feel it when it comes into place, and then it says click. And then you can close this entire canister. And here you go. Now you can fit it on like that, and everything is intact. This one is of course clean. And everything's been in the dishwasher, completely germ-free, and now put together again. And now it's just to use it. Fascinating. A dishwasher safe Bosch vacuum cleaner.